Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you an important feature you must know as a beginner artist in IBIS Paint X. So first I'm going to use the curve tool and the brush felt tip pen hard to create a simple and cute pink car. So it not necessary that it should be a perfect car shape, so I'm just making sure it is cute and peppy. So just create the curves using the brush and adjust the angles anchor points as you wish to create the perfect shape for it. So now the car shape is ready. So now I'm adding the window details and the wheel details using the brush. So to create the wheels I'm using the circle tool and again using the curve tool to draw the headlights. Once I'm done, I'm using the line tool and drawing the wheel details. So now everything is ready. I'm going to add colors. I'm just keeping it mild as it is like a cute peppy kids dress pattern. So I'm just using all the mild colors as much as possible and making sure it is little bit having the contrast. So using the transform tool, I'm just reducing its size, and now I'm going to duplicate the layer. By duplicating it and reducing its size using the transform tool, I'm just creating the another car, and I need another car, so I'm just duplicating it again and using the flip horizontally tool available at the layer option. I'm just flipped it horizontally and using the transform tool I just reduce its size. Now I'm merging all the layers into a single layer, and here comes the games. Click on the repeat option available at the transform tool to create the pattern, cute repeat pattern. So by zooming in or just pinching in, you can get this as I shown. So just do this way or use the zoom option available at the tools. So the repeat pattern is ready, and change its angle as you require, and change its horizontal and vertical positions. Now I'm going to add the background color, a mild beige color. So this is the final look, and I'm going to save it as a PNG and going to show you the final look. This is so cute repeat pattern. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button so that you can get more tutorials up in IBIS Paint X. So thank you for watching.